Mute me. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay. And can you see the screen? Is my screen properly visible? Show your thumbs up if you can see the screen also. Can you see my screen? Okay, fine. So, students, as you all know that Diwali is coming, है ना? Last time we learned how to draw diya, how to decorate, and how can नहीं और दिख रहा है. How we can make diya cut out and we can नहीं ऐसे छोटा कर इसको थोड़ा और ऊपर थोड़ा और बस enough. Okay, so last time we learned how to draw diya, how to decorate. We can take cut out of it, and afterwards using that we can make rangoli and all, है ना? So this all we learn, and today we are going to learn a drawing related to Diwali. Okay. And the topic of today's drawing is let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Okay, this is the topic of today's. I'm just waiting for 2 minutes because students are still getting connected and we'll start very soon. I want this kind of big circle. Okay, you can take this kind of big bangle or you can use base of your water bottle. And this kind of one waste bottle, you keep it in your box. So whenever required, you can immediately pick up and use it. Okay. So this kind of uh, one bangle, you should keep it in your color box. Okay. This kind of bangle, small circle. Sometimes we need different kind of circles. Huh? So it makes your work easy. So some cotton, some earbud, watercolors. Make a kit and keep these things ready. Okay. Hmm. Okay, without delay, now let's get started. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will be making a circle. See, this is center of paper. I will not take center. I will shift my circle slightly this side. Okay, this is center. I will be shifting my circle slightly this side. Okay, okay, so we will be shifting it this side and we will be starting now. Okay, as you can see, my complete, and I'm going to use my paper horizontally. It means in sleeping position. Okay, and this is center. I shifted it slightly this side. Okay, yes. And after this, I will be making a circle. Draw a circle. Yes, you will be making a circle. Okay, after making this circle, all of you make? Yes. You can use base of your water bottle, or you can, if you feel like to make it directly with free hand, you can use any cap of anything, means a circle of this size. It can be a glass, a bowl, a bangle. Bangle also can be used. Yes, you can use this bangle. Okay, so this is a circle. And today's drawing is let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Okay, this drawing you will be learning this way. Take 2 points. One, two. Okay, this is 1 and 2, 2 points. And after this, one slanting line this side, one slanting line this side. Okay, these are 2 lines. You can draw these lines without scale. Okay, without scale. One line this side, one line this side, and these 2 points join. Draw a straight line. Okay, in school also sometimes drawing Diwali special drawings are asked. Na? So this drawing is on, the topic of this drawing is, let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali and say no to crackers. Okay. Yes. So now see this line which we have now. I will extend this line. I will be extending this line. Do this much. After this, yes, you can use a scale for making this line. Yes, I can see. And students, no need to hurry. है ना? When we just draw without planning it, without proper planning, what happened? We have to use eraser again and again, and it spoils our work. है ना? So because of this only, yes. Have you done it? Please show your thumbs up, smile if you have done it. Yes, always smile because you are learning on a very beautiful topic, and this is not only the drawing, this is something which we are supposed to imbibe in life. Yeah, I can see students are showing thumbs down. I'm waiting for them. Okay. Yes. Continue. Now, take 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, 2 points. And same here, 1 point here, 1 point here, 2 points here. And see, this distance should be same. Okay, this distance should be same. Yeah, it's a big bangle. Okay, not small. It's a big bangle. Okay. After this, I want to show one hand here. Okay, show a small line. And from here, one hand slightly above. And you see the size of hand will be same. Okay. One line this side. Last point. Don't forget to take last point. One line is going above. Don't forget to take last point. हाँ she. हाँ है. देख लो. I will reply. Okay, now what I will be doing, this last point I have now, near this, I will be taking point. This last point I have, see, Diwali holidays, now things will be informed in advance. Okay, if we have any holiday of Diwali or we will be taking any break, not yet anything decided, but it will be announced enough in advance. Now, near this, I will be taking a point. Okay, 1 point near this, 1 point near this. Now, what I will be doing, this second point and this point, I will join. Okay, and see, I'm not using scale, and even you will not use scale. Try to do it without scale. This point and this second point, join. Okay. Normally, when we think about Diwali, we think of crackers, burning crackers with full jhadis, there and many, many things. But today's Diwali, which we are going to learn, is going to be very special. Okay. And here I'm going to make a girl, but boys can make a boy also. Okay. And how? See, this is the face. This face. I will be showing. So I'm keeping one more paper. So those who want to make boy, they can make a boy. And those who want to make a girl, they can make a girl. Okay. Yes. These 2 points. Now this top point. Have you done with? Show this much. Please lift up your files. I just want to have a look how the work is going on. Yes. Show. Yeah, it's perfect. Shabash. Very good. And those who want feel that I want to make both, boy and girl both, so they can make both. Okay. Yes. I'm making girl and I will be teaching boy also. Okay, I will be teaching boy also. So you can make a boy also. Now see, first we will complete hands and everything and afterwards we will come on that. This top point I have now, here I will be writing U. U, okay? This is a small U, okay? And from this bottom point, I will be writing C. C for cat, okay? Here U, here C. Okay, and see this is last point. Now if you want to make both boy and girl, you can make both. Okay, let's do one thing, both all of us, let's make both. I will also make a boy also. Okay, chalo, draw a circle, let's make both. Okay, draw a circle and we will be making a boy also here, and you will be joining. Okay, draw one more circle so that boy and girl, this brother and sister, they decided that they will be celebrating eco-friendly Diwali. Okay, and join a line. Okay, yes, same here. On top point, you will be making U. On bottom point, okay, on this second point, you will be making C. This point and this point, you will join. Yeah, even we are making both. All of you make both. Draw one more circle. We all will be learning girl and boy both. Okay, as we made girl slightly this side, so we have space for making boy also. So make one circle for boy also. Okay. Yes. So this ways you will be learning both things, a girl and a boy, and this ways our drawing will become more lovely. Okay. Yes. Don't forget to draw. Take a 2 points and draw a U. Come on, do this. Simplest way of making figure. Okay. Yes. I will take a center point. I will take a center point here. Okay. And now from this point, I will be writing V. Okay. From here to here, this is the V. Okay. Draw a V. If you want to make two girls, you can make two girls also. Okay. If you feel that you have sister, so you can make two girls also. Okay. It's your choice that how you want to make it. Okay. See, I took a point and draw a V. And here you will see that using letters and numbers, we are completing this drawing. Okay. Now here you will be writing C for cat, ears. Okay. Draw ears. Yes. Okay. Ears. For making ears, I'm writing small C for cat. Okay. And those who want to make two boys, as they feel that they have two brothers, so they can make boys also. I will be teaching boy and girl both. Okay. It's your choice how you want to make. Now see on ear, on ear take a point, on ear take a point here. Okay. See here. I will be making line little big on ear, on ear. Take a point. Yeah, I took a point on ear and I'm going to use letter J for jug. J for jug. How? This ways. J connect. From here, J and see this length should be same. Yeah, and you can make your own hairstyle. If you feel that no, I want to make this hairstyle, I want to make this stylish ponytail, side ponytail, or whatever, so you can change hairstyle. Okay, this actually I really want all of you to try this. Okay, pick up your eraser and erase lines from hands. The line of hair, erase from hands. Okay? Yes, the lines of hair which has come in hand now, you will erase because hair are backside of hands. So these are long hair. Okay, normally we make plaits or two ponytail, but as I got messages that want to make long open hair, so let's learn this also. Yes, I will be repeating from starting. Okay, although we are going to learn boy also, and the method is same because here the position is going to be same. Okay, so okay, eyes. So those who want me to repeat now, when I will be making boy, same method is of for girl. Show eyes, two dots, and these are little big, not very small, tiny dots. Okay, two dots. Keep doing. I'm waiting. Okay. Now these 2 points I have. In between of this, I will be making. See, if I will zoom now, so that basic proportion you will find little difficult. Yeah, eyes and nose you can make of your style. Okay. See, in between of these two, small, tiny nose. C for cat. Okay. Okay, I think this much zoom will be definitely helpful. Now, here, I want to make a big smile. Okay, so what for that first I will be making a line. These are open here only. See, these are open here. A line, okay, and I will be using letter D. D for donkey. Okay, this is D for donkey and 3. This ways you will be making hands. Okay. I just want to have a look that how the work is going on. All of you lift up your work and show me. Yes. Okay. And this drawing is having a lovely, lovely story. And not today, next time I will definitely share the story with you. Okay. Yes. Let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. And I can see lovely eyes in Avishka's drawing file. Many students have tried different kind of eyes and looking great. Even Dyuti tried a different kind of eyes. I went for very simplest. Okay, now show a line. Very well done. Huh? You all have done really great work. Show a line on hand. And from here, from here. Okay, two slanting lines. This is a diya. Okay, so first you will make a line. Same here. See, I'm showing again here. Show a line and then with curved line, join two hand. So you will find it very easy to make diya. Okay, with two lines from corners. Hmm. No, we will not show sari. We will be showing simple dress. Okay. And now from here, I will be writing C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. A small U. Okay, small U inside. This point we have now. I will start from here and I will finish my U here only. Okay. These are two diyas. And this girl, she painted diyas. She made handmade diyas. And she decided that she is going to celebrate Diwali with handmade diyas, no Chinese stuff. Okay. Yes. So she is very happy with diyas and she is decorating house with diya. Okay. Yes. Don't forget to make this kind of lines. Yes. Okay. Many years back when Ramchandji returned back to Ayodhya, that day, all people of Ayodhya, they celebrated it with diyas only. They just decorated whole Ayodhya with diya to welcome Sri Ramchandji. And because of this, the name is called Deepavali. Okay, the row of diyas. So from that day onwards, we are celebrating Deepavali. Afterwards, crackers and all things we add. But initially, people were not using crackers. They were making rangolis. They were burning diyas and all this. This was the way they were celebrating. Okay. Yes. And if you have a sister, you can make sister. If you have a brother, you can make a brother. If you feel you both are brothers, so you can make two boys. It's your choice. Okay. I will be making boy. And those who miss somewhere, method of hand and everything is same. Take 2 points and two slanting lines. Okay. And don't use scale. Okay. Try to make this kind of lines with free hand. Don't use scale. Okay. And this boy, he decided that he will be celebrating complete house with string of marigold flowers. Okay. Marigold flowers and ashok leaves. Okay. Now after this, yes, first I want to have a look at how the complete work is done. Please show, lift up your work, all of you. Yes, I just want to see that how the work is going on. Very good. I can see different hairstyles of the of girl, and it shows that how creative you are. Very nice, wonderful, very good. You all have done really brilliant work. Okay, now just a minute. हेलो तू कहाँ है रोहन जान निकाल दी तूने मेरी कहाँ है तू डॉक्टर्स के ऑब्जर्वेशन में है ना तू सबसे पहले तो हाँ अरे मेरी क्लास चल रही है कल तू वीडियो कॉल कर after this yes after this what you're supposed to do you will be taking 2 points this side 2 point this side as we made for girl now same ways we will be making for boy okay one hand will go up okay and one hand will come down here one hand will go down okay do this much after this is the last point and we will be taking 1 point near this okay we will be taking 1 point near this okay after this we know because we have done in this now so now I don't think I'm supposed to go that slow this point and this point I will join okay it is a kind of revision now what you're doing a kind of revision you're doing okay here and I'm not going to show boy with diyas I will be showing boy is decorating whole house with lovely strings of marigold okay at place of purchasing ready-made plastic flowers he prepared his own handmade ashoka leaves and marigold flower a string made with marigold flowers and ashoka leaves okay Now same ways as I made now. Yes. You show one small U. Come on, do with me. Okay. And C from here. C. Small C from here. Okay. And I will be joining the C and U. Okay. I will be joining C and U. Wait a minute. तू मुझे सबसे पहले तो अपना एड्रेस भेज नहीं तो मुझे एड्रेस भेज अपना तुझे मेरे सिर की कसम है शेफ साहब का अपना after this same I'm going to do here U C and join okay come on yes can you hear now is it clear yes after this here for making hair I will be using letter V V V okay this phase I will V draw V okay yes keep doing and wholeheartedly as you all know we have done it and we will be writing C C for cat here C for cat here okay and don't forget to show two eyes okay same ways small tiny nose and you can show a big beautiful smile it's a very big smile isn't it
क्या बोल रहे हो मेरे से बात कर ले कह देना उससे
वो डॉक्टर के पास चेकअप में है वो
अभी जब वो तुम्हारी बात हो दोबारा जब बोल देना मैं जा रहा हूँ काम से बहुत अर्जेंट
क्या हुआ सुनो
सिटिंग है अभी तो सिटिंग और होगी वो
नहीं नहीं आप कहाँ जा रहे हो
मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरा दवाई तो ले आया हूँ मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरा
रोहन का आफ्टर दिस यू
रोहन 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 तू मेरे फोन पे फोन कर मेरे फोन पे फोन कर मम्मी क्लास ले रही है मेरे पे कर
and what we will be doing I will be taking 1 point here on hand 1 point here on hand and this point and this point join okay join this point and this point on hand join it like this okay yes from here to here Okay, and I want to show that this complete decoration with string. Okay, I will connect this point with a string. So how will I connect? 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, yes, yes. And I will be marking till here. So I will be making one C on the top, the second C on the top, and this is a string of flower which is decorating. Okay, just finish it here in the corner. Okay, he's still decorating. They both decided that place of burning crackers and purchasing things from market, they will celebrate their Diwali by making everything with hand. Okay, this is a C, again a C, it's coming in hand. Okay, and finish. I just want to see that how the boy is going on. Okay, as boy, it will be very easy for you to make boy because now you know how to make girl, how to make hand, how to make figure. So after making it, let's see, this is a kind of revision for boy and girl. And these two younger ones, they are very small, very young, and Papa Mama gave them pocket money. You can go and purchase Sutli bum, you can purchase Aloo bum, you can purchase colorful fuljhadi, this, that. But there is a story, okay? And this story I will be telling you next time that why they decided they will not do this all and what they did then. Okay? Next class. I will be definitely telling you beautiful story of this drawing. It is going to be very joyful. Now I want to make flowers. See, this is O and U. Okay, and see, although we want to, we are going to make flowers on this complete string. Okay, your each flower should be beautifully made. Okay, you will not make it untidy and in a hurry, you know. No, make it very nicely. Come on, do with me. Okay, make lovely, lovely flowers this way. Okay, yes, same ways. Marigold flowers, or these are simple flowers. And this year, although they are very young and they are least bothered about, okay, their neighbors are burning patakas and all. No, and they are not bothered about okay, if we will not burn crackers or Diwali is going to be very boring. No, this is this everything I will be telling you when I will be sharing story. Anna? Today I will not tell. Complete flowers this way. Hello. पापा को फोन लगा पापा आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं तो उससे बात करने थोड़ा देर बैठ अभी बात कर वो कॉल कर रहा है बात कर keep making and finish. Okay, and each flower try to make beautifully. And see, these all are biodegradable things. Nothing is a kind of thing which is going to harm environment. Okay, and lovely story is a surprise for you. As you all know, on every occasion with every drawing, I always share a story, but this story is going to be the best. I can understand, and the lesson which you will be learning from this story will be best. Okay. Yes. Some big, some small flowers, but make all flowers beautifully. And this string one day before, okay, they made one string one day before. If you want to put few more things for decoration, you can put. Okay. If you feel that no, I want to put a candle or something or some other decorative star or whatever, you can make your own kind of flowers also. Okay. Yes. If you feel that no, I want to make this kind of flower, I want to make that kind of flower, you can make. Keep doing. Okay. And this ways I will complete this string. And these small kids, they are not least bothered that their friends and all, they are not listening to them and they are celebrating Diwali in different way, but they decided that they will start eco-friendly Diwali. If you want to make Rangoli, see here I'm going to show wall. Okay, this is going to be wall. You know, this is a lobby in front of rooms. Normally we have this kind of open passage. This I want to show here. So with lots of patience, I will complete flowers. And this ways, see, boy and girl, they both together are celebrating a lovely eco-friendly Diwali. This ways we will be completing. Okay. Again and again, I'm knocking that don't make flowers rough or untidy. Otherwise, the whole beauty of this work will be spoiled. See, it's very simple concept and very good for competition level because that drawing with crackers and all, why not to change and think creatively? Okay. So this complete floral string, this boy is decorating. Okay, and they want to decorate each and every corner of their house. Okay, yes, finish it. Finish, then I want to have a look at how the work is going on. Okay. Okay. Yes. I just want to see that how Diwali is going on. Please lift up your work. Yes. Arre wow, it's unbelievable. You all have done it so well. Lovely. You all are really wonderful students. I can see many students, many girls, they decorated this place with diyas and they made two girls, one with ponytail, one. So on basis of their family, if they have brother, they made a boy. If they have sister, they make two sisters. And I can see lovely hairstyles and beautiful things, many more things for showing Diwali decoration, and it shows your creativity. It shows how creative you are. Lovely, excellent. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's come back. Okay. Very, very well done. Shabash. Janvi, if you are late, beta, don't worry. You will be getting complete recording of class, and with help of that, you will be able to do. Okay. Now, what we will be doing? This ways line. Okay, I want to make a wall. So I will be making a line. You can use scale for this, or you can draw it with freehand. See, for recording, the place where you get a link na, with help of which you get connected with class, exactly on that, you get a link of recording also. When you will click there, na, that link will take you to the place where you will get recording. Okay, so that link we provide along with the links of joining of class. Okay, now it's okay. I think now the complete pic is visible. I will be showing this ways lines as I want to show a wall. Okay. Yes, this will definitely give it look of wall. So first you make line and afterwards decide center point. Afterwards decide its center point. Each block we have now. Decide center point of each block. Okay, this ways. And same ways I will be taking center point. Okay, the center point of each block, each brick. I will be taking center point. Sometimes those who are very young, na, they don't understand that how to make bricks. So first make first line, then take center point, then draw second line, then center point, and here last. Okay, come on, do this much. No, don't make any design in wall because too much of designs will make it looking very congested. We need to maintain balance also in our work. So just show, and if you want to show one diya, if you have place, in that case only. If you don't have place, then don't make diya. No, we will not color it today. We will be coloring it next time, and that time only I will be sharing the story also. Okay. So for making diya, this is a line. This is a small line, and join. Okay. Yes. Small flame. And if you don't have space, then don't make this diya. Okay. Yes, I have space. That's why I'm making a small diya here. And here, no need. Let it remain little. Okay. Yes, one diya here. And this floral decoration. She's very happy because decorating diya. He is very happy because decorating complete house. See, the string decoration is left here also. And so much of work in this drawing is left. They are planning this way. After doing decoration, I'm going to put it here also. Then I will be putting here also. I will be putting there also. This way they are planning and decorating house. Even young, small kids can do this. Okay. Yes. Now here in corner, I will be making a line. One in corner. And see if there is no space now on your paper, if you feel that there is no space, so you can leave it also. This is not compulsory. It is optional. Okay. Yes. Yes, I'm showing how to make bricks once again. First, you will be making 3 horizontal lines. Okay. Afterwards, first line, you will be making this kind of standing lines. And after that, you will be deciding the center point. Okay. And then you will be making again one, and this ways you will be making bricks. I just want to have a look how the work is looking. Please, all of you lift up and show me. Yeah, shabash, very good. Very good, excellent work. Excellent. Shabash, okay? So today's drawing is not only just to learn, but it is going to give us a very, very great message also. Let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Okay? Yes. I made this one, and if you don't have space, if you feel that my space is completely filled, then you don't show this. Okay? This is optional. This is a sleeping line and a small sleeping line. If you don't have space, you don't make this. Okay, otherwise it will become very much congested. Yes. Okay, and just below this, under this, I will be making a small line. I will connect. Okay, I will connect it. I will be making it a little more clear so that you can see and understand. And same here, the small line I made. Okay, and this last point, connect. And this kind of flame. Okay, this kind of hanging diya stand I want to show. Yes. Okay. If there is no space, you can leave it. And if you have space, you can make it. Okay. It is optional, not at all compulsory. So this ways, let's make our Diwali absolutely eco-friendly, pollution-free Diwali. And let's learn, let's be brave to say no to crackers. We will have to do this. Okay. Yes. So this is all about our today's artwork. Okay. Screen is containing complete artwork. Okay. This is our complete artwork. Let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Okay. If you don't have space, you will not make this. Again and again. Okay. Yes. Finish. Deep stump if you want, you can make. And if you want to drop, you can drop also. Those who have completed, they can lift up files and show me. Yes. After this, I will start with. Very nice. Very good. Okay, you all have almost completed. And maximum of you made this diya stump, hai na? Yes. Okay. You see, this is a zoom view only. Okay. If I will make it more large, then it will cover small part. So it is complete close-up view. Okay. And now it's time to pick up. As we all know, the very first step we draw with pencil. We have done, and I've seen you all have done it really wonderful. Can others hear me? Please show a thumbs up. Can you hear me? Show thumbs up with smile. Okay, to see those who can't hear me now, please check that you must be having some internet issues because other students can hear me. So they see the very first step, that is making drawing with pencil, we have done. Now second step, that is outline, okay, with black sketch pen. So now we all will pick up our black sketch pen and we will start with our outlines. Come on, take your black sketch pen and start giving outlines. And while giving outlines, you're supposed to be very, very careful because even if a single line is wrong, even if a single line is wrong, yes, what is going to happen? Yes, you won't be able to erase. Okay, it can change. So this ways, I will start moving black sketch pen. Okay, line which is wrong, you won't be able to erase. So even if single line is wrong, you will be, that won't be erasable. So you are supposed to be very much careful. Okay. Yes. And in today's drawing, we learn open hair. है ना? Till now we were making different kind of hairstyle like ponytail, one ponytail, and yeah. So let's give neat, beautiful outlines. Okay. And this is not only a simple drawing, but it's a very meaningful with positive message. So if any competition you find in your school or anywhere, you can try this on competition level also. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Yes. I will be completing this second hand and see the way of making hand. And see the best part of this drawing as we made same figure almost twice now. Now we know very nicely that how to make figure. Okay. Yes. So let's complete. Okay. Let's complete the big figures first and afterwards flowers. Okay. If flowers will be left, that we can do in homework also because we have very little time now. Okay. Yes. We have 4 minutes more. So let's try to finish figure first. Okay. Face and all. This ways we will complete. This ways. Okay, this black outline will give a neat and finished effect to your work. Yes. Continue doing and this ways we will be finalizing. Okay. Only this floral string is left. First, we will complete this everything and then remaining time we will complete that also. And yeah, students, one more thing, you need to keep your earbud and watercolors also ready next time. Okay, for making this floral string, we are going to use earbuds. Okay, we will be making flowers with earbuds. So, we can do one thing. No need to give outlines in flowers. Okay, don't give outlines in flowers. Flowers we will be making directly with earbud. Okay, only string you make. Only string. Flowers we will be making colorful with earbuds. So keep your earbud ready. Okay, and this ways outlines. Yes, only string because flowers we will be making orange, red. We can go for tricolor scheme also, and we will be doing it directly. Okay, so see with this my outlines are, it's also about to get over. Yes, and with this my drawing is over. Before leaving I just want to have a look. Please lift up now. Hannah, you can continue your outlines afterwards. All of you lift up because now outlines are given now. The drawing will be very clearly visible. Sorry. Yeah, very good, very good. Yes, I can see it very clearly now. Lovely, lovely. It's beautiful. You can make clips in here if you want, if you want to show bracelet or any kind of, means whatever you feel like to. Okay, and flowers we can do with earbuds. Very well done. You all have done amazing work, lovely. Okay, and see remaining outlines you can do in your homework. So with this, I will be winding up my class. Next class, be ready with earbud. No earrings. Earrings nahi, earbuds. Okay, earbuds. Okay, and if you want to make earrings with earbud only, we will be making two tops. Okay. So with this, I will be winding up my class. We will meet next time with a lovely story. Okay. May God bless you. Bye bye. Bye, students.